Hello everybody, it's the Minecraft Guy 105 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to craft flags. I am in 1.8, and, well, I guess they're called banners, but I like to call them flags. But, yeah, I'm going to show you how to craft them, so, yeah, so anyway, here we go. So, I'm going to walk around here. You can see I have those barrier blocks there. So, first I'm going to talk a little bit about the flags. You can see that you can put them on one block spaces, but they actually go through the block. So you can see that it goes right through the glass. And then here's one without glass. It looks pretty nice. Then you can see you can put them on the wall like that. And you can also stand them up just like this, and it stands on a whoa. And yeah, they're on a pole. So here is how you craft a just plain colored flag. Well, no, wait, no. This, not, sorry, confused it. This, here, let me turn my sound down. Should have been a little more prepared, but, okay. So, this is how many flags you can stack. You see, if I click this, you can only get 16 stacks. So, they're kind of like signs. You can see that there's this awesome tower of, twisted, banners, flags. They're called banners, you can see. But then you can see, yeah, they're different positions, just like signs, how they can turn all the way around. And you can stack them on top of each other, so just make a giant wall. Now you can see right here that in the wind, they actually, well, there is no wind, but you can see that they blow in the wind. There's like that little animation there, which is pretty cool. It's almost like a cape. So here is how to actually craft it. This is just a regular banner, and you can see that it's just like a sign, but instead of wood, it's wool. So 1 stick and 3 wool and 3 wool of any color, and it will make that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that this is working. And if I just, and it gives you one back, or just one flag, and you can place it, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So now I'm going to go over all the colors and designs and stuff. So you can see we have white, well, pretty much all the wool colors: white, orange, purple, light blue, yellow, green, pink, gray, light gray, cyan, purple, dark blue, brown, dark green, red, and black. So those are all the colors, but you can see right here that we have some designs on the flags, which are pretty cool. So these are like brick flags. It's kind of funny. You wouldn't think that they would be able to blow in the breeze, but they do. And this is like a sun flag. I will show you how to craft all of these later. This is a creeper. This one's one of my favorites because you can use it on like a pirate ship, you know. It's skull and crossbones. I thought this was funny. It's not a preset one like these are. I just made it with some flag designs. I'll show you how to make it later, but it's kind of like a cake. And then here are all the things you can do with the flag. So you can put a row of any color of your choice on the bottom and a row of color anywhere there. And you can do the same like on the bottom right corner, the bottom or the right side, top right, middle, top, or I mean just the top left, then bottom left, and you can put a dot in the middle. And this one's gradient, so you can see it's light at the top and it gets dark at the bottom. And by the way, you can do this with any colors you want. You can even make the creeper face like purple or something if you want. It's all up to you. So here is gradient. I already said that. This is a line going from bottom to top and then top to bottom. Here's an X, triangle pointing down, triangle pointing up, and a line in the middle, and a line going down. Now here are some custom flags that we have made. This is a crossbones, as you can see over there, but it's purple and red. And here's a pretty good one. It's like you could use this for off limits area. It's an X. Here is a red crossbones, but on black. Here is like a almost an American flag, sorta. This is kind of just, you can see you can use stripes. Now this one's kind of fun. You can put your own custom head on there. The only problem is you have to place the head. But I just used a skull bone or a crossbone and a player head, and I put it on top of this, and you can see that it looks like a player head on the crossbones, which is pretty funny. So now if I go over here, you can see that I have a flag here and there, and dispensers. And this dispenser has water in it, and this one does too, and this one has lava in it. So we're going to see if they can stand up, or if they'll still be standing once we use it. And I already know the answer. Yes, they can. These are just like signs, and they block water. So you can see it actually, since this only counts as one block, you can the water goes through the top. So that's the same way with this one, almost. You see it's like a sign, it blocks it, and it works with lava. I'm not quite sure if it burns in lava, but yeah, it does work. So yeah, they're like signs. Derp. So anyway, I'm pretty sure you're all wondering, how do you craft these? Well, first of all, here are all the flags, but they don't have the creeper ones, and you're probably wanting to get those the most besides just the regular colors. So how you do this is, first you want to craft it, a flag of your choice. I'll just craft like a green one, because I'll do a creeper face first. And you want to, you know, craft the flag like this. And then you want to get a creeper head, and you want to get some black dye or ink sac, and you put the flag in, you put the creeper face in. It's already black, but I'm just going to put an ink sac in there anyway. And as you can see, we get a creeper face. Now if you want the creeper face to be like a different color, you take the creeper face, and let's just say we want yellow or something really weird. Put the flag in, you put the creeper head in, and you put yellow in, and as you can see, creeper face turns yellow, which looks very weird. Well, I guess it's not that bad. It's kind of cool. So that's how you do a creeper face. Now if you want to do a skull and crossbones, you might be thinking, oh, that's easy, the skeleton head. No, it is actually the wither head. And what you need to do is get a flag. We always start with a basic flag like this, or banner. I keep saying flags, but they're banners. So I want the skull and crossbones to be on black, and I'm going to get some white dye. Now you can see once we put the flag and the wither skeleton in, nothing happens, even though it says it has a skeleton head on it. That's because it is already putting this on black. So what we want to do is put some white in there and dye the skull white is what we're doing. And as you can see, we have skull and crossbones. And if you want them to be a different color, you just choose a different color background and a different color dye to put in, and it would change it. And it's raining, toggle downfall. And let's see what's next. We have let's do the sun looking one, or the flower one. What you need for this one is, let me find it, a oxy daisy, I think that's what it's called, and a flag. So I'll do what I did back there, white and yellow. And you want to put this down and this, and that's pretty cool by itself. But if you want to look like a flower or the sun, you can put this on there. And yeah, you can see you have that. I bet that'd look cool with red dye. Try that for fun. White background and red. Derp. And you can, whoa, that's pretty cool. You know, like a evil society or something. I don't know. Ooh, that was weird. Okay, so I think what's left is the bricks for the patterns that are pre-made, sort of. So for this, you actually need bricks. So this is the only one that's really easy to get in survival, besides the one that are made of wool. And the in between the bricks there's white, so you want to get a white banner. unless you want like black in between there or some other color. So then you want to get red dye, and you want to put this, this, and this in there, and you can see that we have a brick pattern on our flag. So now if we want to make some of the patterns over here. So I'll show you how to make this one maybe later. So if you want to make something like this or like these, then I will show you. That's what we're doing now. So what you're going to need is, all you're going to need is a flag. So I'll get myself a bunch of flags, and I'll get myself a bunch of black dye. So let's see. First of all, some of them you put the flag in the middle, and if you, for the corner pieces, you want to put black dye in the corner and the flag in the middle. And you can actually, let me just show you this. You can get like blue, orange, Portal 2 colors, green, whatever. And you can put the you can have different colors in each corner. Oh, you have to craft it first, but then you can put a color in here, and then you can put one down here, and oops, one down here. Oop, not two. And you can see that you have 4 different colors. You could probably do the Windows logo with that. It'd be kind of funny. The Windows castle. Okay. So now, if you want to make one on the top, the bottom, or the sides, you put the flag in the middle. Oops. And you put a row of dye on the side you want. So there it is on the side, or you could move it up to the top, and it works for all the sides. So now if you want to craft, let's see, let's just say you want a line. You want to put it on the side, the left side or the right side, any space except for the 3 that you want the line to go. So you put it in the top, middle, and bottom, and you can see it gives you that. And you do it the other way if you want it to go in the other way. But if you want an X, you put it in, you make like an X out of it, and you can see that it gets you this. So it's pretty cool. And next, the arrows. If you want an arrow, you have to put it at the bottom and do this, and you can see there's an arrow. Or you could put it, the flag at the top, and make the arrow like that. I don't think it works sideways. No, it doesn't. So it only works that one way. Now, if you want to make like what I did with the cake, what I did for the cake was I got a orange banner, and let's see, white dye. That would be there. And I put this in, and I did this. So kind of like the bottom arrow, but I just moved it up one, and as you can see, it's a cake pattern. So yeah. Next, oh yes, the lines in the middle. So you want to put it on the bottom, the bottom row or the top row, and then you just want to put a line in the middle. Oh, you want to do it with black dye, or well, you don't have to. You could do it with any color. Now, as you can see, it gets you a line like that. And if you want to do it the other way, it's pretty much the same, just line down the middle and on the side. So let's see, next, if you want a dot in the middle, you just put your dye in the middle like that and put your thing on the side, your banner, and you got a dot. It's watching you. Okay, so let's see what else there is. I know there's the gradient, so got the dot. I'll do that one in a minute. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's only one more left, and then I'll show you how to get a player head on there if you don't know how. So, which is gradient. So what you want to do is make a Y sort of shape, and put your background one in any of the open shape, spaces, and as you can see, it's gradient. So, and all of these colors that I just did, you don't have to just do it with black and white. You can do it with any color you want. So let's see. Now I'll show you how to get. Let me just clear my inventory. There we go. So I'll show you how to get a skull and crossbones, it's your skull. So you want to go ahead and make the skull and crossbones if you don't know how, like that. And as you can see, we have it there. Then you want to type in this command / give your player name skull 1 3. Then you want to do one of these. I think it's like a curly bracket, and you want to type skull capital S owner capital O colon and then your name. So I'm going to do my name. It doesn't have to be your name, it could be any name you want that's a skin. And when you type it in, right now the heads look really messed up for me, but you would see your player head, and you can see once I place it, it's my skin. Woohoo. So next, it's pretty easy. You just place the flag and put your head. See this hitbox there? You want to place it on top of it, and then you have your own skull and crossbones. Okay, that was weird. I broke it and it didn't go away. So yeah, you can customize these as much as you want. The bricks don't have to look like this. You could have orange bricks with like purple behind them. I don't care. You know, you can make it anything you want. You can try messing around with some of the stuff on here. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of crafting flags or banners, whatever you want to call them. So let's end the video. So yeah, now that's pretty much it, and we are going to spawn a bunch of bunnies now. Hooray. See if we can get an evil one. This is gonna be bunny land. Whoa, floating bunnies. It's a magician bunny. Too late, haha. So yeah, this is the end. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Yeah, I hope that you have fun crafting flags in 1.8. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And the bunnies say you should subscribe to the Minecraft Guy 105. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see you next time.